Stake your claim. Understanding an idiomatic expression. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating English idiom. Stake one's claim. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a window into history and culture. So, get ready to explore its meaning, usage, and origins. Whether you're a language enthusiast or an English learner, this journey will enhance your understanding of English idioms. Stake one's claim is an idiom that means to assert one's right to something or to make a claim on something, especially land or property. But it's not just about physical land. It can be used metaphorically too. For example, if someone says, "I'm staking my claim on the last piece of cake," they're asserting their right to it. The phrase has a colorful history. It dates back to the times of gold rushes and land expansions in the United States. Prospectors would stake out a piece of land by placing stakes in the ground, marking their territory for mining. This act was a legal declaration of their claim to the land and its resources. This historical context adds depth to the phrase, making it a snapshot of a bygone era. In modern times, stake one's claim is used in various contexts. It's not limited to land but extends to ideas, opportunities, and rights. For instance, in a business context, an entrepreneur might stake their claim on a market niche. In relationships, someone might stake their claim as a dependable friend. Here are some examples. 1. She staked her claim as the leading expert in her field. 2. He staked his claim for a promotion by showcasing his achievements. It's important to note that stake one's claim doesn't imply aggression or force. It's about assertion and declaration, not conflict. Misinterpreting this can lead to confusion, especially in cross-cultural communications. As an English learner, staking your claim means actively taking ownership of your learning journey. It's about asserting your right to progress, make mistakes, and celebrate improvements. Every time you learn and use a new phrase like this, you're staking your claim in the world of English language proficiency. Stake one's claim is more than just an idiom. It's a bridge to history and a tool for expression in the modern world. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and enriching for your English learning journey. Keep staking your claim in the vast land of the English language, and see you in the next video.